What's good, y'all? It's LJ, and I'm back with another video, man. Shouts out to everybody who subscribed to the channel. So we finally reached that 100 subscribers. So we're gonna give out that giveaway, dog. $100 to whoever followed those three things we told y'all to do on the free Telegram channel, man. Sub to our free Telegram channel, of course. Follow us on Instagram. That's gonna be Coolin' and Brody. And then, of course, sub to our YouTube channel, Breadwinners FX. Boom, link right there, of course, man. And y'all can enter to win at $100 at the end of the week, man. We're gonna do that at the end of the week, Thursday, we're gonna do that. So go ahead and follow those things. You can enter and win that. So but back to what this video is about, man. We're gonna do a trade of the week on gold, which we did. We called that out Friday NFP. We went over 190 pips on that trade. So before we enter into that part of the video, of course, man, you already know we gotta go ahead and run, you feel me, the intro video, man. Let's get it.
Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner.
So here we are, guys. We're in the Telegram channel where the trade was called out. By the way, this is our free Telegram channel where I said go update watching these levels to see a break of this level, then a continuation up to this right here. So then moments later, we head over to the new one. We had that break moments later, maybe about 30 minutes later. We had the break, then a retest. And then at that point, you can probably enter in right there. I already entered in here because I see a divergent level, which we're going to talk about as soon as we head over to the chart. So without further ado, let's go ahead and head over to the chart and see exactly why I entered in on that trade, guys. Boom. So here we are. We're on the charts. We're back at that point where I called it a trade. And right here, guys, this is where I seen that divergent move. So let me pull up my RSI and I'll show you what I was looking at. Boom. So here, this is divergence, RSI divergence, guys. So for the 1 hour time frame, boom, for 15 minutes, could see a little bit better. Excuse me. So boom, as this chart is going down, we do have on the RSI, this chart is heading up right here. So at that moment, I seen it with RSI also in confluence with it being at a significant level, which we can see right here is a significant level. So I knew it's a possibility for it to be going in for a buy. So if you want any more information on RSI divergence, go ahead and drop a comment down below. We can have a video on just RSI divergence, spotting that, and getting in the trades just off of basically divergent, adding that to your confluence on entering trades, excuse me. So let's head over to what we're looking at. So right here, you can see this is a level that price is failing to break right here, but I know this is at a significant buy level. So at that moment, I was looking to see a break of this and then a retest of that, which we like to trade. If you don't know that already, we like to trade break and retest and for continuations up to this next significant level, guys. So that's what we was looking at, is what we was trying to trade, right? So I already had my alert set right here. So at that point, if it did happen, I will be alerted to my phone. If you want a video on that as well, I'll be looking to do a video on how to set alerts on TradingView and the significance of that as well. So, and anyway, I already have the alert set. So once it did hit this point, boom, I'll be alerted and I'll be looking to see for the retest of that and then a continuation. So that's exactly what happened. Let's go ahead and roll the tape and see it happen. Boom. Still struggling. Boom. Then we got the break right there. At that moment, once I seen that break, drop down to our 5-minute time, 5 minute. We already had the break right down to 5 minutes. Then we had the retest right there already. So at that moment, that's when I had the alert. I said, guys, go ahead and escalate it quickly. Boom, go ahead and try to get in for that buy. Boom. So if you got in off that break, if you got in off the retest right there, boom, you're already in the trade, right? Boom. So right now we're on the 5-minute time frame, or 1 minute. Oh, excuse me. Let's go back. Excuse me. Let's go back actually to here. So boom. If you were watching for the break, we already had the alert, and I sent out the next alert. You'll enter in something like this, a break up to this level right here. Your stop loss will be down past the previous level. That's how we like to do it. So at that moment, you're already at 3-to-1, well above a 3-to-1, so that's a good trade risk to reward. Boom. So let's go ahead and run the table, see how everything goes down. Let's do it. Boom. At that moment, you're already in the trade right there. You enter in right there. So once we got halfway to profit, you pretty much gonna put your stop loss at break even. So boom, we halfway to profit. Putting our stop loss to break even. Let's let it run. Price still kind of struggling, but we still making a high right there, high low. Then we already broke down, so now we're looking to make another high. We're already doing right there. So at this point, we are almost to our level, which I think I called out, was about 1890 level, which was a TP level that we were looking to get out at. And keep in mind, this is doing NFP, so I mean, it's a volatile time in the market. I mean, a lot of people try to say not to trade NFP, but I mean, it's volatile, so I mean, that means price is going to be moving pretty fast. So if you get in at a good level, secure your profits, secure your capital. I mean, it's not a bad time to trade NFP. I mean, you just get to your profits way faster. That's how I look at it. Now we still just watching for price to see who's going to come up to this level. And I think at that moment, I was kind of like, I seen price kind of leveling off. I was like, man, I'm just going to go ahead and take my profits right here. But I mean, price did come up eventually and hit this, hit our TP if you did hold it. But I mean, at that point, I was already in on GJ, already scored on that one, GU as well, which we called out in our VIP channel. So GBP USD, we did call that one out for NFP and this gold trade. So if you was in VIP, you got both of those trades and opportunities to win on both of those. Watch price. It's just struggling. So at that point, we're still holding our levels and bouncing off this MA. So everything's still good. And let's see, did we already hit the? Oh, yeah, we already hit that 190 right there. So we would have been out of the trade at that point. You've been majority out of that trade. I mean, if you did have some runners running, I mean, you're still being profit even at this point in time. Once the market had closed and opened up on Sunday, so you're still being profit on that one as well. So that's what we looked at, guys, on this on this gold trade. I mean, it's very simple, like a break and retest on that one. And at this moment, if you're still, like I said, holding gold, we are at this little level right here. So we do break this, and then we'll be looking to get in the buy here and then continuation up to this next level right here, guys. So I mean, that's all you have, man. 190 pips on that one, man. Shout out to everybody who was in the free Telegram channel who was actually able to get into this trade, man. Be on the lookout for more trades, guys. You know what I'm saying? So until next time, I'm out, man. Peace.